Okay, this is station 2 of the Optics Station Lab, and this concerns reflection of concave and convex mirrors. Okay, so let's talk about the setup first, and then we'll do the demo. Okay, and as we go, you should be pausing the video and making pictures. Okay? Okay, so first off, we're going to start with a single ray. It's aligned just like the last station we did, except now we have a concave mirror. Okay? And this concave mirror, you can see it's concave, it caves in. Do you notice that? It caves in, okay? And so what you can see is that the single ray is incoming on the normal right now, and it strikes the mirror. And the reflected ray is going right back out on the normal. Okay, that's why you only see one ray. Now I'm gonna rotate this to 10, 20, 30, and 40 degrees incident angle. And then we're going to look at where the reflected ray angle is. And you're going to write that down in the table on this page. Okay, so let's go to 10 first. Okay, there's 10. So take a look at it. You can see, I think you can see that. Okay, now I'm going to go to 20. Okay, I think you can see that. And now I'm going to go to 30. I think you can see that. And one last one. I'm going to go to 40. It's kind of hard to keep this aligned sometimes. And now you can see that. Okay, so what can you say with a concave mirror? What can you say about the incident angle and the reflected angle of the incoming ray? Okay, there's a statement you can make based on this experiment. Okay, this is the second part of station 2. I've changed one thing here. I still have the concave mirror. I still have it aligned on the component line. I still have the rays coming in from the light box perpendicular to along the normal and perpendicular to the mirror face, okay? But I have 5 rays now instead of 1, okay? And so what I want to look at is as I rotate the mirror, I'll rotate it slightly to the right. As I rotate it, I want you to look and see what's happening to the reflected rays going out of the mirror, okay? And then I want you to draw a picture of that, okay? And I'll leave it like this for a second. You can pause it and get this result. So I'm going to rotate it, and it's a little, okay? And now you can see there's the 5 incoming rays, and you can see the outgoing 5 reflected rays. What are they doing as they go away from the mirror? And there's a word for that. It's converge. So those rays are converging, and they're converging at a spot like right there. Okay, so let's go on to the next part. Okay, now we're going to change this mirror. We are going to make this now what's called a convex mirror. And that convex mirror bows out. Okay, it bulges out. Okay, concave caves in, convex bulges out. Okay, and we're going to set it up the same way, this time with the 5 incoming rays. And let me see if I get it about right. Here we go. And now I'm going to rotate it just to the right so you can see what's going on with the reflected rays, and try not to move it. I'm going to rotate it a bit more because I want to show the effect. Okay, now take a look at the effect. You can see it pretty clearly there. So you notice the waves are all striking the mirror at an equal distance. They're all equally spaced apart, pretty much, okay? And yet when they strike the mirror, they're reflected from the mirror. The angles of the reflection are slightly different. So these rays don't converge, they diverge. So you need to draw a picture of this.